Hello guys, so ngayon tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-solve ng derivatives ng ibang trigonometric functions. So, meron tayo dito ang given na y is equals to x squared times tangent x. So, kukunin lang natin yung derivatives niya. So, since may parenthesis siya and this is a multiplication, so gagamit tayo ng formula ng product rule, which is the derivatives of f of x times g of x is equals to f of x times g prime of x plus g of x times f prime of x. So, remind ko muna kayo kung ano nga ba derivatives ng iba pang trigonometric functions. Kasi nung nakaraan, tinuro ko lang is about sine and cosine. So, ngayon, tuturo ko kung ano ang derivatives ng ibang trigonometric functions. So, the derivatives of tangent x is equals to secant squared x. The derivatives of cotangent x is equals to negative cosecant squared x. The derivatives of cosecant x is equals to negative cosecant x times cotangent x. And last, the derivatives of secant x is equals to secant x times tangent x. So, since tangent x ang ginamit natin sa ating given, is doon lang muna tayo mag-focus, which is, derivative niya is secant squared x. So, tara solve na natin. So, i-substitute lang muna natin ang mga value, which is f of x is x squared times the derivatives of g of x, which is the tangent x. So, ayun nga, ang derivatives of tangent x is secant squared x. Plus g of x, which is tangent x, times the derivatives of f of x. So, gagamitin natin dito yung exponent rule. So, magiging exponent times coefficient, which is 2 times 1 is 2. Then, copy the x, then subtract 1 to the exponent. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, hindi natin siya kailangan isulat pa. So, ayan. Sisimplify na siya natin. Magiging x squared secant squared x plus 2x tangent x. So, ganun ang kadali mag-solve ng derivatives, guys, nang gamit ang ibang trigonometric function. Basta tatandaan nyo lang kung anong mga derivatives ng iba't ibang trigonometric functions. Madali nyo na lang siya masasagutan. So, ayun na guys, sana may natutunan kayo.